Jan 5, 9:15 a.m. Friday market. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Likewise, yesterday after 3 o'clock, a buy call generated. So green color candle has been started. That buy call bullish momentum followed today also. And today after 9:50 a.m. the first sell call generated. So today this is our first call, sell call. Daily basis in live market, whenever market trend changes, you will get calls like a signal. So automatically it will generate calls like this. So you just need to watch this chart. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart on daily basis. You will get the calls. You can place the entries according to the calls you will receive here. You can do auto trading also by connecting your broker account to this chart. So both manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible. So today first call, the sell call came at 48,475. That is our entry point. That a straight white line from red color candle. Below our first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than a 120 point target. Second target is more than a 240 point target. The call came at 48,475. First target is 353. Let's wait and see how it works. Good bearish momentum. During this time, it break out the first target range, and that bearish momentum continued. So continuous bearish momentum. It break out the second target range also. Like this today call generated and break out both the target. Meanwhile, market was in very volatile. During this volatile also, market maintained that bearish momentum and easily break out the targets. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.